Hello there, this is Ujjwal and welcome to another video. This is again a design theme haul video from Dress My Craft. I ordered, this is actually for November, but I ordered it a little early because I will be on vacation next month and I just wanted to make my projects beforehand and schedule everything before I go on vacation. So let's see what I got. So first of all, the first things that I got are these two punches. One is the scallop punch and another is this flower chain punch, which is a new release. I think this is going to look really nice and would add a great decorative element to any project. Then I got some more pollens. These are wire pollens and some satin twine, which is in red color, and I thought that would match my Christmas paper as well. Next, I got these two stencils. One is a leisure stencil and another one is called grungy alphabet stencil, I think. I'm not sure of the name, but I will list down all the supplies in the description box below, so you can check that out. Next, I got some dies. This is again the new release, the ornament die, and then this is an older foliage die, which I thought would work well with Christmas projects. Next, I got this newly released Best Dead sentiment die, and by mistake I got two, so I've added two in my cart. So I'm going to give this one away. Let me know in the comments below what you would what kind of projects you would like to see, and I will choose one winner from the comments to give this die to. So these are the next things I got are these golf groove tools, and this is for flower making, and you will see me use them in the coming projects. And next is this beautiful gentleman collection. This is their new launch and it's absolutely beautiful. It's so vintage and grungy and so perfect for masculine projects. So you can make projects for your father, husband, boyfriend, brother, anyone really. And I just wanted to show you a little glimpse of how the papers look. They are just so beautiful. This is a 6x6 paper pad, and of course the finish is lovely. The papers are 240 GSM, so they're really thick and nice. And look at the colors. Colors are very muted, blues, greens, and very vintagey and beautiful. So I think these would be great for a lot of different projects, and you will of course see me use this in my October projects. So yes, I absolutely love how this looks. And I also got the coordinating motif sheets, which I showed you just a little while ago. And then I got another new release, which is the Christmas Bells collection, and this is again, this has my heart, even though we do not celebrate Christmas as such, but I just fell in love with this. It's so beautiful. This is the motif sheet, which again is super pretty, also has some sentiments in it, and you can fuzzy cut out the elements and use them as embellishments. They work really well since they're all coordinated. And let's see what the collection looks like. I really want to give you a flip through because I just loved the papers, and these papers are actually really great for layouts as well, because the way they are designed, they have some elements and some sentiments going on, and then again that script background in the all the papers. It's really great. Look at that little bell icon in the corner. So lots of beautiful details in these papers, and I like having a little start to my layouts. If I'm doing a scrapbook layout, I like if the papers have a little bit of a starting point, so they have something in the corner like this one, or some kind of a focal point that I can build upon in the layout, or else I like it to be completely plain, so then I can do whatever I wish to. So those are the two extreme things that I like. Look at that Santa, how pretty is that? So again, this beautiful collection, it's not completely red or completely green, and has this beautiful again vintage vibe, but it is so fresh at the same time. So you can see these are so great for, and this is such a beautiful paper, so vintagey, black and white with a little wreath, muted wreath going on in the background. And again this one, some children there, just absolutely stunning papers. And yeah, I can't just wait to get started and create something wonderful with these. This one also has some journaling cards in the last two sheets, so you can cut these out and use them in your projects. I think that's a great addition to the paper pack. I like having coordinated elements because that makes the job really easy. So yeah, this is the motif sheet and just absolutely pretty. So that's it. I think that's all the things I got. And coming back to the little giveaway that I'm doing with this craft haul, so yeah, super simple. Just make sure you are a subscriber here on my YouTube channel, and leave a comment below letting me know what you'd like to see, and I will choose a winner. Bye bye, have a great day, and if you like coming to my channel and watching my videos, don't forget to subscribe. It would really mean a lot. And yeah, for all the product description, the links and whatever I got, they are all in the description box below, so you can directly click on the link and go to the website to purchase them if you'd like to. And yeah, I'll see you again next time. So thank you for stopping by today, and have a great day. Bye bye.